Hello, what is up everybody, R57 here, back with yet another Diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Hot Wheels Pagani Utopia number 5 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Exotics, and number 205 out of 250. So yeah, I guess let's open this up. Here is the Pagani Utopia. Now this might be familiar to you guys. If you've seen the channel previously, you've already seen me review a Pagani Utopia, but not made by Hot Wheels, of course. That was made by Tarmac Works, and that was colored in black carbon. Here we have the Hot Wheels $1 version, which is as you can see, it looks pretty great. They've done a great job so far in doing the Utopia. If it were to be car culture, basically you would get more details significantly, but so far for the mainline version, it's just a bit simple if you ask me. Now, I don't know what color this is. This is supposed to be like, I don't know, a grayish tan? I'm not entirely sure. But it is sort of like a grayish, whitish gray sort of color. And yeah, looking at the rims and all, they look pretty great. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's take a look at the car itself. So here is the Pagani Utopia, colored in sort of this grayish silver. Not silver, but grayish tan or grayish brown. I don't know what to say with it. So you do have these 10-spoke silver rims right here on both front and back. I believe the same size. Very cool. Just if you're wondering, the top part of this car is metal, and the bottom part here is plastic. Just if you're wondering. So pretty clean on the side. Nothing much to say. There's no like design or anything, decal or anything, not really, on the side, which is pretty cool and clean. Moving towards the front, you do have the headlight details right here, which are I believe printed or painted. I think printed headlights right here on both sides, which are nice. You do have these details on the front right here as well. Sadly, the grille is not actually detailed much, but I guess it's fine. It's not too bad. You have this tiny little detail. I'm not sure what is this in the middle, colored in black. So slightly tinted interior, and if you see closely, you can actually see the interior is colored in red, sort of like a red color tone of interior. And the seats are also red, I believe. So you do have these mini sunroofs right here on both sides, and also towards the back. And then moving down to the side, pretty similar, very clean and also very nice. Oops. Towards the back right here, you do not have rear light details right here. No exhaust tip details as well. In fact, there are actually 4 exhaust tips in the middle right here, but sadly they don't. Even the spoiler, yeah, they sealed it off. There's no hole in between the car and the spoiler right here, sadly. So they made it pretty simple. And also this back part right here, like I said, it is plastic because it is the base of the car. As you can see, plastic base, Pagani Utopia, made in Malaysia, 2023 metal. Oh yeah, I do forget to mention, this is actually a new casting for 2024. Oops. So overall, this Utopia, I would say it's not too bad. Why is it rolling off every single time? Okay, so stop rolling. So if you ask me, the Utopia right here, colored in sort of this as its first color, sort of like in this grayish, whitish yellow, I don't know, or tan. It's looking pretty great, not gonna lie. I really do like it. The details, I would say not so much, just the headlights. The rims, great that they added 10 spoke rims on this one, not any other set of rims. The interior wise, it's a bit hard to see the red interior, but at least they did color the interior, and the best part, at least they included an interior, that's for sure. That's the main thing. And judging by the whole car itself, I would say for a $1 model, of course you would say that it is okay, quite in the middle. If you ask me, just for the headlight details, I would say they could have added the rear light details to make it a bit better. But yeah, I guess that's all for this Pagani Utopia. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.